A mere $1 could determine the outcome of the intense legal dispute centered around Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie's $500 million French winery. Since Jolie filed for divorce in 2016, the former couple from Hollywood have been at odds over the 2008 vineyard they bought. The legal battle over the estate has been fought in courts in California and Luxembourg and is more intricate than a 1961 Bordeaux. The argument over a single euro, a price that wouldn't buy you a glass of plunk, may be the most persuasive aspect of it all. Pitt ended up owning 60% of the vineyard and Jolie 40% when the two purchased it during happier times, when Jolie was expecting twins, 2 of the 6 children they raised together. However, as a token of his devotion and grapey love, Pitt gifted Jolie an additional 10% of the estate right before their 2014 wedding, making them equal partners in 50-50. Pitt paid €1 to his future bride for the shares that would later be challenged. Or, using the currency rate as of Thursday, $1.08. Jolie sold the wine business of Jolie Group her portion of the vineyard after their breakup. Pitt's attorneys have countered that Jolie never made the payment. Pitt's legal team claims in court documents filed in Luxembourg that the €1 bill was never paid, and that it was never the spread's fair market value in the first place. As a result, they are requesting that the court reject the Jolie-Stoli sale. The contested shares are currently being held in escrow, while a third party examines the debts. We are not aware of any issues related to our purchase of 50% of Miraval, nor do we have any concerns, a top Stoli executive stated in a previous statement. Properties always sell for $1, of course. A home sold for $1 is typically a symbolic amount that denotes a transfer of ownership, frequently within a family, according to Quora. Generally speaking, this kind of deal is seen as a gift, and the sale is treated as such for taxation purposes. According to a source close to Pitt and Jolie, his legal strategy of €1 left her team perplexed, leaving them to wonder if they had actually paid for it, and whether it was a pointless tactic. According to a source, people sell things for $1 all the time in the US, but no one ever pays the dollar. It's not taken seriously by anyone. It was a reflection of their family life at the time, taken before they were married. Jolie filed a motion on Thursday seeking records related to a all-encompassing non-disclosure agreement that Pitt reportedly wanted, which she claims ruined the sale of her vineyard interests to him. This is part of the global legal struggle between the ex-couples taking place in California. Pitt, 60, has long maintained that Jolie, 48, broke up their exclusive buyout talks when she declared she wanted to leave Miraval and then sold her shares to Stoli. Jolie has maintained that the pair never had a contract requiring 2 parties' authorization before selling, but Pitt claimed she sold it without his permission, a claim Jolie refutes. Jolie added in fresh court documents on Thursday that she and her family haven't visited the castle since 2016, just a few days prior to her divorce petition. The topic of €1 is still open, though. The Post was previously informed by sources that the Luxembourg proceedings would take a year to conclude with a decision. Jolie's filing on Thursday also addressed the allegations of abuse against Pitt made by the Maleficent star. According to court documents, Jolie requested an NDA because this flight marked the first time Pitt turned his physical abuse on the children as well. Even though Pitt's history of physical abuse of Jolie started well before the family's September 2016 plane trip from France to Los Angeles, Jolie then departed from him right away and never returned to Miraval. Jolie continually tries to distract from legal losses by offering irrelevant or inaccurate information, according to a source close to Pitt who spoke with Page 6 about additional court filings. The Benjamin Button star has previously denied the abuse allegations, and Pitt's camp has previously stated that the non-disparagement clause in the contract was totally standard.